What's up guys, Toddy here from RC Excitement, and today we are here to show you the brand new Arrma Granite Grom 18th scale mini four-wheel drive monster truck here from Arrma. So stay tuned, we'll show you guys the perfect Christmas gift for this season. So this Christmas season, Arrma has done a fantastic job on releasing this awesome Granite Grom 18th scale mini monster truck. This is one of the first monster trucks that we've seen that is around that price point of that $130 price tag. Four-wheel drive, metal geared, metal servo, overall a super durable indoor and outdoor truck for the kids to be able to play with dad on that tried and true granite platform from Arrma. We've seen some really great things from this, so we're gonna actually drive the vehicle today and experience it for ourselves, see if it really is up to our RC Excitement status. So this Granite Grom is going to include everything that you need in the box, all in one box to be able to play with on Christmas Day. So with this one, it's going to be a clipless body system. Clipless body system is pretty unique. It's these little hanger clips. They'll pop up and the body actually comes right off. It uses these little pin systems here. You can see there. And then also this spring-based system where you clamp these and it pops right off. Little latch system. Really nice design. Also includes already a lithium polymer battery and a lithium polymer charger. One of my favorite things is as we check out what's inside the bag, Arrma has actually included the USB-C version of the cord, and no fret that if you are a USB-A version or old school USB, they've actually included the cord for the charger, plus this really cool adapter. So that way you have it where you can use the adapter on any one of your iPhone or Samsung cords, cube-wise. Little Lipo charger already included in the box. A 1400 milliamp hour Spectrum IC2 version of the battery. Four-wheel drive. Super cool to see a very durable platform on these ones here. Radio with battery and charger comes included. Looks like it's a nice SLT2 radio. And then gotta be biased, I love these paint schemes with the green, white, and black, the RC Excitement colors we have here. Hook body system goes on pretty nice and easy. Slap that front on, and then we'll push this back in and we're good to go.